Miscarriage recovery. What TCM says and how dangui and seeds help rebuild fertility. If you have had one or multiple miscarriage, whether early or late, you already know that the pain is not just physical, it's emotional. It's silent and too often it's dismissed. You have told to try again, maybe get some test, maybe get straight to IVF, but very few people are asking the most common questions. What changed inside your body that caused this loss? In today's video, we are unpacking the traditional Chinese medicine perspective on miscarriage and why two herbals, dangui and seeds, have helped thousands of women rebuild their reproductive foundation, whether you are preparing to conceive again or recovering from pregnancy loss or struggling with fear after loss. This episode is for you at Jingsen, a traditional Chinese medicine clinic based in London with over 20 years of experience. We support women through fertility planning, fertility struggling, or miscarriage recovery using personalized herbal formula, expert consultations, and holistic care grounded in TCM. We offer free consultations and shipping or herbal fertility formulas internationally. What causes miscarriage in TCM? In Western medicine, many early losses are called chromosomal abnormality, often labeled as bad luck. But in TCM, we look at the internal terrain and that allow the pregnancy to stay or slipping away. We often see miscarriage linked to one or more of those root imbalance. Kidney Yang Deficiency. The kidney are the root of reproductive. If yang energy is weak, the uterus lacks warmth and holding power. Signs include feeling cold, frequent urination at night, lower back pain, and fatigue. Second is blood and Qi deficiency. When your body is undernourished, it simply doesn't have the strength to support a new life. Symptoms like pale complexion, dizziness, shortness of breath, lighter periods, or history of heavy bleeding. Blood stasis is blood flow is stagnant or clotted. The uterus can't nourish or clear properly. This often shows up as painful period, dark clots, or dull aching in the lower tummy. Liver Qi stagnation with heat, emotion trauma, grief, unresolved stress can cause the liver Qi or blind, leading to heat and pressure in the womb. This may be caused irregular cycles, mood swing, a sudden spotting, especially in middle cycling. At Jingsen, we use pulse and tongue diagnosis, your cycle history, and the emotion pattern to uncover which of those are most active in your body that then build a tailored planning. Dangui rebuild blood or regulated period. Often a miscarriage may be woman experienced blood deficiency, fatigue, pale complexion, poor sleeping, dry skin, hair loss, or delayed menstruation. Dangui enters the liver and heart channel, help to nourish and move the blood so the body can reset harmony and emotionally. We use dangui for after the loss. Your blood may be depleted or blocked. Dangui both nourish and invigorated. It regulates the cycle, promote uterine lining repair, and support smooth flow in the next period. It's especially effective for women with paired tongue, delayed cycles, lingering cramping, or emotion flatness or depression. Once blood is nourished and circulation improves, the next step is rebuild the deep warmth and holding capacity, which is where the 土司子 becomes essential. 土司子 is seeds, the angel for shaking womb. While dangui stabilities, 土司子 replenish is kidney. Seeds are one of the TCM most trusted herbals for miscarriage prevention and post-loss recovery. We recommend these seeds when the pattern includes feeling cold in the lower belly, light or irregular period or delayed menstruation, early spotting in pregnancy, lower libido, fatigue, or history of short lateral phase. They are warm, tonifying, and deeply restore for the kidney system. Here's what they do. Strengthen the uterus, holding power, reducing risk of early loss, nourished essence gene, which support long-term egg quality, calm the fetus, especially when signs of threatening miscarriage appear, like spotting or lower back aching, improve fatigue, coldness, frequent urination, all classical signs of Yang deficiency. This herbal is especially important if you have been told you have a cold uterus or feeling emotionally and physically drained after miscarriage. It helps you rebuild, not just try again. Think of it as creating a nest that doesn't shaking loss with the wind. And it's important to simply understand is promote blood circulation, improved blood level, blood nutrition level. What else do we offer? Every woman's body tells a different story. Every recovery plan at Ginseng is individually designed based on your unique body constitution, cycle history, and miscarriage companion symptoms patterns. Here's a tropical sequence of care. Free consultation will assess your time, cycle history, and post-loss symptoms to identify the primary pattern. Cold in the uterus, blood deficiency, or Qi or stagnation. Custom herbal support. We formulated teas or capsules based on your need. Include safety where source dorset or dangui where is applicable. All of herbal's prescriptions are TCM practitioner approved and can be shipped internationally. Acupuncture in clinic. For those visiting us in London, acupuncture is used to regulate the heart, kidney axis, calm emotions, turbulence, and promote uterine blood flow. Common points include rainfall, liver sleep, and spring 6. Choosing based on your consultation, ongoing cycle support. We help you track the post-miscarriage ovulation, rebuild the uterine lining, and prepare for the healthy consumption. If needed, we include additional herbals like 熟地黄 or 白芍 for deeply blood tonification. We do not rush and we do not guess, but we follow your body's signal, your body patterns, and this to decide is your treatment plan. Finally, message: you're not a blocker. Your body just needs certain help. It's new reset. If you are gone through pregnancy, loss, and feeling ignored, dismissed, or just unsure what is it, you do not rush. You do not to try again before you have ready, and you do not have to go it alone. At Ginseng, it is a special offer to you because we have special free email consultation. You fill it online consultation form, and also you have possibility one-to-one face on video consultation. Whatever you are, you can reach us. We'll review your history, explain how dorset and dangui may support you, and map out of personalized recovery planning even more. Because rebuild fertility after miscarriage is not about try again, it's about restarting from your body's strength foundation. That's it. And this is what we are here to help you do. And let's work this healing path is together. We work with you, we support you. You can be back to normal pattern. Thank you.